what's going on. There is an incredible crowd here. I'm going to show you.
Right there. Down low. Right
there. And frankly, there's no end in sight. I don't know when we're getting out of here. They're saying that the subways are closed. So right now we're stuck in D.C. We can't even get to the bus. I don't know what's going on right now. But it's not looking good. So it's just crazy. That's all I gotta say. Really nothing else to say about this. Isn't this crazy?
I hate it. I'm dying. Oh my God, get me out of here.
That's what I'm saying.
This is my last inauguration for life. Never again.
Yes, we both agree. We love Obama, but we can't do this again.
I don't love you that much.
We really can't do this again. This is phenomenal. I can't believe.
We're struggling to get home while he's probably chopping some pork chops or something.
Yeah, parading around in the parade or something. But I mean, we are struggling right now. I'm exhausted. Like,
cancel passes tomorrow, please.
I'm exhausted. Completely exhausted. So someone else is walking.
It's a long, long, long
There's clearly no end in sight. Stay tuned. Hopefully we make it back to the bus sometime this year. And I'll see you later. I'm out. Wish us luck.